The mandated reporter, Junior. Welcome.
What is Passover?
Passover is time to remember Jesus' sacrifice for us on the cross. The celebration consists of the Passover feast, found in Exodus 12, verse 8, and 7 days of the Feast of Unleavened Bread. What Yah's servant Moses did in the Old Covenant by leading the children of Israel out of Mitzrayim, that means Egypt or bondage, was a type and shadow of how Jesus saves us from the bondage of sin.
What does type and shadow mean?
A type and shadow is Yah's way of showing us things that will happen. There are many types and shadows in the Bible.
Why do we celebrate Passover?
Well, the main reason is that in Exodus 12, verse 14, Yah commanded us to observe this feast forever. It's awesome fun to celebrate holy days in ways that Yah, our Father, has instructed us to.
Like and subscribe to our channel for more edutainment like this.